Hello kids! Today we will see a collection of wild zoo animal figures, and we will learn their names. This is a zebra. This is a giraffe. This is an elephant. This is a chimpanzee. This is lion. This is tiger. This is a leopard. This is bear. This is a panda. This is a fox. This is a hippopotamus. Great job, kid! You learned the names of wild zoo animals today. Did you like the video? Then tap like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.